My name is Matt Molumby. I'm Chief Operating Officer of Allredi. I've been with the company for 14 years. Allredi is a supplier, distributor, and manufacturer into the industrial space, primarily for mobile contractors and OEM manufacturers around surface preparation, as well as MRO supplies into the contractor market. Allredi has 12 U.S. facilities and 6 facilities in Canada, roughly $200 million in revenue, and 6,000 plus lines shipped of product on a regular basis. One of the advantages of working with Inixion is with them being UK based, they can be working on things while we're sleeping. We can wake up in the morning to solutions already implemented in the system. So we have had Sage X3 for 4 years now, with Inixion for 3 years. Many challenges in the business with support before Inixion came on board. Envision Inixion as a partner and work with them as a partner, overcoming multiple challenges in the business, fine-tuning our implementation of Sage X3 for the business. We had a challenging business conditions from the standpoint of we have manufacturing, distribution, and rental. And so making Sage work across all 3 of those for us, it was critical that we had Inixion involved to get our implementation of Sage X3 working properly. The future with the partnership with Inixion and Sage, we're rolling out Sage to our Canadian facilities. We brought, with Inixion's help, brought Sage to our Hamilton, Ontario facility, and now we'll be rolling out Sage to our Western Canada, our 5 branches in Western Canada at the end of 2024. Looking forward to having all our facilities on a single platform for financial reporting purposes, as well as business management. In the future going forward from that, we're working with Inixion on a rental solution, as well as rolling out inventory management through data links in our warehouses, and looking excited to look at the future of Sage with AI and other opportunities as they come available for us. 3 years ago, when we were looking for a partner, we wanted someone that we could really truly be a partner with and would engage with us at a high level to address our issues. And Inixion has delivered spectacularly on that. Been what we truly believe is a partner in supporting our efforts and improving our implementation, as well as looking at new solutions to support our business.